All right. Okay, y'all. So, I'm doing my neon lights, my underglow lights, my lights from Amazon that I ordered. Yep, yep. Y'all get up underneath this mother freaking car with me. I was finna cuss, but no. But yeah, fuck you. Get underneath this car with me and watch me as I do this freaking car. It took me a whole hour. But as you see, I did it. Your girl did it. You did it. Just doing it, running through, going up underneath the hood. Right now, I'm just setting the wires up before I run all the wires. I be wanting all the wires done. So I made sure like the power wire and stuff was up underneath the hood and ran down and dropped in a good spot that it wasn't going to catch anything. Stuff like that. So that's what you see me doing. I'm setting that up, doing that. Yeah. And don't mind the person that's out there. That's my homeboy. He be helping me. He don't mind helping me. But he was getting on my motherfucking nerves. Because it's like, I got to do all this by myself. Because me, being me, I was taught if you don't do it yourself, it ain't gonna get done right. So yeah, that's what I be. I'm on that. So I had to do it my god doggone self because I wanted it perfect. Cause I'm finna do these car shows. I want to start my own car club. I want to show these bitches that I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Ooh, yeah, I was too short. I know y'all see I had to put that brick right there and stand up. Yeah. Baby is short. Only 5'5". Check too, Holly. But yeah, he's more so just passing me the zip ties and extending the wires out if I tell him to pull it or something so I can zip tie it. But yeah, that's all really I used him for was the zip ties and stuff. Cause other stuff that I tried to use him for, oh my gosh, epic fail. That's why you don't ask men to help you because they don't know what the fuck they doing and they don't know how to be gentle and take their time and just put stuff together and be gentle. Sometimes it takes a woman so it can be neat. Cause a man just be rushing and putting shit together and that shit don't be looking good. I be wanting it to look cute. Y'all see this? Trying to do everything. And I keep adjusting this camera and keep moving and booming, front, back, side, left, right. 22-inch rims. You see that? Don't skip the rims. But let me fasten this up. Come on, like. All right, y'all. Don't mind my mother freaking what is that? The pine tree limb to hold up my hood. Yep, ghetto and fabulous. Petty as fuck. Pretty and petty as fuck. But yeah, bitch. My hood holder not working. So yeah. Very ghetto, much so very dainty. Very going to get it to work. Yeah, you see I had it. Yeah. But the finished look, come on. Y'all see the lights? They change it. I got all colors. They do everything. They do the motion. They do the sound. They do everything. But yeah, finished look. Ooh, get in there. 22 shining. Ooh, Tiffany.